frame forms the backbone of the car. A beautiful body. The engine powers the vehicle. Did you know that many of the components of a car are made using molds and dies? Molds and dies are special tools used to process metals and plastics into the shapes of components. They are highly efficient in mass production or for making consistent parts, for which they are used in the repetitive manufacturing of items with identical shapes. Making molds and dies for cars requires advanced technology and expertise, and it is an extremely important process because their quality and precision directly affect the quality of the car itself. So, let's take a look at how molds and dies are made at Suzuki, forming the foundation for cars. There are many molds and dies for making components for cars, but 3 types are manufactured at Suzuki's mold and die plant. The press die uses metal sheets to form exterior components, such as the roof, body, and doors. The injection mold is used by injecting molten plastic into it. It is used mainly in the production of plastic components, such as bumpers and dashboards. The casting mold is used by pouring molten metal into it to make engine components, such as cylinder blocks. These molds and dies are produced at a plant in Hamamatsu City of Shizuoka Prefecture. The manufacturing of Suzuki's molds and dies begins with modeling to shape their surfaces, so they accurately reflect the car designs envisioned by the designers. Before making the actual mold or die, simulations are carried out numerous times based on modeling data to verify whether components can be bent and tapered according to design, and that no deformations or distortions will arise. Then the data is adjusted as required. Detailed adjustments, such as tapering, opening holes, and cutting, are made to the model for each step of the process based on this modeling. Structural designing is also carried out simultaneously to create the housing. This is a crucial stage in manufacturing, in which the entire mold or die is designed, taking into account the process leading to its final form, such as its strength, ease of use, productivity during mass production, and maintainability. Program data is created for actually machining the mold or die upon completion of the design data. Machining is carried out based on a meticulous program which operates the cutting machine with precision, down to 1/100th of a millimeter. This is how digital technology is used to accurately reproduce the design of a new car. Once the data is ready, the mold or die is cut out by actually machining metal. This surface is cut into the shape of the component using a milling machine. Molds and dies usually have a concave shape corresponding to the shape of the car surface, and a convex shape for the back, with 2 pieces making up a set. Even complex shapes, such as curves, are machined precisely according to the program. These 2 pieces are finished and assembled in the next step to allow the molding or die forming of metal and plastic components. They are assembled for mounting on a press machine or molding machine. They consist of several hundred parts, which are assembled with precision and adjusted to ensure smooth operation. Once assembled, they are mounted on a press machine or molding machine, then tested. The slightest distortions that could not be adjusted through machine processing undergo repeated fine-tuning to enhance precision, relying on human vision and intuition. Furthermore, the molds or dies are checked for their overall dimensions and distortions using measuring devices. Distortions are quantified using contact type measuring devices and non-contact type measuring devices, which rely on light to take three-dimensional measurements. They are refined to a quality suitable for use on the production line through repeated trial runs and adjustments. Moreover, experienced craftsmen polish the mold or die, relying on their eyes and hands in their pursuit of perfection in beauty. This human input realizes smoothness and strength, which cannot be achieved through machines alone. In the end, even these subtle adjustments made by people are reflected in the design drawings and modeling data to further enhance accuracy through both designing and manufacturing. This is how molds and dies for creating high-precision, beautiful forms are shipped out from the plant in Hamamatsu to factories all over Japan and the world. Suzuki's craftsmanship is propped up by knowledge and technology accumulated over the years. Reliable products are created through the proactive leveraging of digital technologies, which continue evolving daily, combined with honed human intuition. The fusion of digital technology with people is what enables the manufacturing of cars that provide satisfaction to all customers.